Guys, today I found this little bird while I was roaming on my garden. Look, she's so cute and what? See? Its wings has totally destroyed. Oh look, wait. See what to do? I have no idea. Look at its mother. What should I do? There are so many ants here. See? The ants gonna kill it. What should I do now? I have no idea. Let me pick it up and keep it somewhere in safe place. Where should I keep? Look, it's not moving. What should I do? This is too small. Can't even fly. Maybe here? No, don't move. Okay, you'll be fine. Okay, now it's time for me to leave here. Leave my garden. Or else there's no end. Okay. I'm leaving. Bye bye.